Well, Dr. Wiggy joins us now from Robin Hood Integrative Health, and we're talking this morning about whooping cough because there is an outbreak, obviously, nationwide, and recently an infant in Forsyth County died from the disease. So explain what whooping cough is.
So, whooping cough, this is a disease that is caused by a bacteria called Bordetella pertussis, and this can affect anybody, but it really seems to affect kids. And what happens is this bacteria, it infects their upper airway, and it causes inflammation and narrowing of the airway, so they cough a lot, but they also have that whooping noise when they try and catch their breath.
And it's very contagious.
It is very contagious. So yeah, if you have it or if you're coughing, you can spread it around to anyone. And like I said, especially young kids like infants, if they get it, they can be at serious risk.
And so what are the symptoms beside, obviously, that sound, obviously, coughing?
Yeah, so there's two stages of whooping cough. The first stage is more like just like the common cold. So you have like a runny nose, kind of a simple cough. But then it progresses into the kind of the coughing stage, and that's when they have these really coughing fits, and they can't catch their breath.
And so how is that treated?
Yeah, so this is a bacteria, so we treat it with antibiotics. Okay. So if you have it, there are some antibiotics we can use to treat it.
And why are there so many more cases, it seems? I mean, we hear every year, it seems like there's more and more, and a lot of deaths as well.
Yeah, and that's the interesting thing, because it does seem like every year we are hearing more cases of this. And I think that, two sides of the story, they're trying to point fingers at one another. So one side's trying to point people that, the kids that aren't vaccinated, they're saying that's the cause, and then the other side's saying it's because the vaccine's not effective. And so, and I don't think we really know the answer to that. I think we need to do more research to really find that out. But there are some interesting things that kind of make you think about the effectiveness of this vaccine. One thing is that in Australia, they do a really good job of vaccinating kids, of over 95%, yet they are still seeing record numbers of whooping cough as well. And it actually seems that the majority of cases of whooping cough is actually in kids that are vaccinated.
Wow, that's interesting.
Yeah,
so should you get your child vaccinated?
Well, like I said, right now, I think until we know more, I think you should be getting the vaccination, because that does seem to decrease your risk and decreases the severity of the illness. And it does seem to be a pretty safe and effective vaccine.
All right, thank you, Dr. Wiggy. And don't forget, he has plenty of great tips and suggestions online. Go to Facebook and search for Dr. Wiggy.